Hi guys, welcome to Chef and Fitness. Like, share, and subscribe. I cooked this delicious waakye. Can you believe I forgot to record it? So today I'm coming to show you how to make the Amelia waakye. You can eat your waakye with fried plantain, chicken sauce or stew, or your spaghetti. Now we are picking out the beans. We're taking out the stones, the bad ones, separating the bad ones from the good ones before we start with our beans. This is what you do. So if you want to cook your waakye, first tip, start early. And if you want your waakye to taste like Amelia's waakye, then you need to use the local rice, the Ghanaian local rice. Pick them out like you did with the beans, then you're good to go. So there we go. We have our local beans, local rice, and our waakye leaves. I don't know how to call this in any other language. 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of beans. Secret to cooking your waakye perfectly. Now boil water, put in your waakye leaves. Make sure you wash it first. And leave it to boil. Always wash your beans with hot water or warm water. It's very important. Once it boils, it changes color, becomes very colorful. Then you know you're ready to add your beans. So you don't let the water be too much because you have to let it drain off. Then you add another set of water to it. When your beans is cooked, not overcooked, not undercooked, you add your rice. Wash your rice 4 times. Stir to mix and leave it to cook. Cover it with aluminium foil to let it cook well. Just look at our waakye. It's ready. If you're still watching after this time, then you like it. Please subscribe. Delicious waakye. You can serve it with whatever you want to. There's no rule, but usually people prefer the black pepper, the spark. Please subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for watching.